So you come off the elevators here on the 15th floor, and you're gonna see a sign there. Over to the left is where you're looking for the Chronos Club, and that is just right over here around the corner. So to access the lounge, you're going to need to use the Magic Band reader here on the left, and just take your Magic Band like anywhere else, tap it right there, and the door will open. You can come in here, and on your right when you walk in, you do have concierge there is available to help you with anything you need. You've got some seating area over here on the right, and this lounge is definitely by far the largest lounge of any of the club levels at any of the resorts here at Walt Disney World. And we've really enjoyed staying here and kind of spending some time up here. This lounge has a really great view out the windows, and also, as you can see over on the wall, there's lots of hidden Mickeys in this room. There's the first one right there on the left, and we'll try to point out a couple more here through the lounge as we walk through, because they're just kind of everywhere in this entire resort, and the lounge is no exception. One cool thing they have here in the lounge, besides a lot of couches and seating areas, is you'll notice there's a lot of games kind of scattered throughout. So there's some decks of playing cards there in that box. There's a gigantic game of Scrabble over here that is really cool. We were playing that the other day. It's pretty awesome. And they also have candies and snacks sitting out all the time. So at any point throughout the day, you've got candies over here, you've got apples, you've got Ghirardelli chocolates, you've got granola bars. These things are just out all the time. So anytime you're coming through, even if it's not a snack time or desserts, things like that, you can always grab something while you're coming through here. So it's really awesome to have that available to you. Like I was saying, there's a gigantic Scrabble board here, and it's a really cool game there. And they have a couple others. There's a big chessboard over towards the back and a few other little games scattered throughout. So really cool that they had that available for you to have some things to do, not just for if you're going to be here on business working, but if you're here with your family, you can have a little bit of fun. We love this mural right here on the wall. This is actually, so far, I think it's my personal favorite. We'll call it a hidden Mickey, even though it's kind of obviously not hidden. I just love this painting on the wall. I think it's beautiful, and thought it was really cool to see that there. And this is kind of your kids' corner area. And as you can see, there's a giant table here. They can set their stuff on if they're eating or whatever, but they also can open this up, and there are toys and games and stuff in there for the kids. So really is a lot here to do for everyone in the family, not just the adults who are here to have some snacks and drinks. Stuff to do for the kids as well. We found a couple more hidden Mickeys. If you look up here in the ceiling, this is absolutely beautiful, this lighting up here. And if you look on this side, we've got some Mickey Mouses hidden in there as well. So they're just kind of scattered all over the lounge, just like they're scattered all over this resort. And we love how pretty this place is. It is by far way more than we expected coming here to Gran Destino Tower. It is absolutely beautiful, and we are so happy to be here. Over on this side, we have where all of our food is for breakfast or the snack time or dinner or desserts in the evenings. You've got your drink area here. Of course, they're set up for breakfast now, so you have your coffee, you have your juices. They'll have wines and things like that out later on in the day. You got your cooler here with a ton of different drink options that they change throughout the day for. Right now there's some yogurt in there, but later on they'll have some beers in there as well. So you've got all the drinks there, and then over here is where we'll have more of the snacks and foods and things like that. They could have the toaster there for the morning, so you have bagels and stuff. So you've got that. And then they also have an area over here where there is fruit and cereal in the morning, and they have a few other offerings in the evening as well, especially some vegan options is what they had last time we were here. And then right here in the back in the corner, there is a little restroom area. So you do have a men's room and a ladies' room back here. And I was staring at this picture yesterday trying to find hidden Mickeys. Sadly, I couldn't find any. So we did look and could not find any. And that is it. That is the tour here of the Chronos Club, the lounge that is at the top floor 15 of the Gran Destino Tower here at Coronado Springs. I would highly recommend, if you are looking for a little bit more of an upscale experience and not looking to stay maybe in a deluxe resort, the club level access for the rooms here at Gran Destino Tower is pretty awesome, and getting to kind of come up here and hang out, it's been very enjoyable. And it, as we've said before, is the moderate that feels like a deluxe resort, and that is really accentuated even more here in the club level area.